Another Tour de France reference. A familiar face again.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Leaving my hotel. Last night, I didn't see the colour of that beautiful roof. Look at that. I was just looking for a sign, and it's on the bus stop. Unfortunately, first day out of town with all your food, you go uphill. Just got a relatively flat bit at the moment, but I think for the first 8-9 kilometres it's basically uphill. So, quite the mission. There's a big wooden cross here. Good morning, day 15. Whew. Day 14 was the day to get into Thann, upload videos and do other stuff. It was, very interesting day. Lots going on. Ballon, Tour de France, everything. Today, I'm not sure how far I'm going to go. Obviously, I've just visited the town, just uploaded with food, and you go straight up another 1,200 metres. So we'll just see. But it is forecast to be pretty hot today. And it's forecast in a few days to have thunderstorms. So I'm not quite sure how I'll feel. But let's see where the day takes us. Just startled by this runner going by. She apologised. The first marker point for the day is this unguarded shelter, where I said to myself I'd stop, have a drink, and go from there. Whew. I'm not sure it looks up on a video, but that's up. Ooh. I didn't expect railings today, but I suppose I think it might be because the path has collapsed in the past. Come out onto a rest point for cyclists. So we've gone up another 50 to 100 metres, called the HexaTrek. A brief pop out from the woods to get a bit of breeze. Oh, needed. This was one of my targets early on, get some water. So I think I'm going to get a little bit and filter it. It's taken about 5 minutes to get that little bit, so I'll just filter that. I'm not sure what this little hut is for. It's got a bell to ring. Don't know. No idea. It's all boarded up and not in use at the moment. It's a shame. This is the correct way. I think I'm going through all the cows. Deep joy. They are looking at me, but I'm walking across to the auberge where I've seen people walking around. So maybe it's not open, but they're just there. Lots of fresh poo though. Ski Club Sportif Millhouse and water. So I'm going to stop here and have a rest even though it's closed. At 10 o'clock, second breakfast. With a view. Yeah, I'm French. Saucisson cheese. President butter. We just look at each other, don't we? I think these guys are just a bit too busy eating and keeping in the shade, but I'll give them a wide berth because you never know what they might do. You're looking right at me. That was a good break. Air the feet, have something to eat. Incredibly cold water, absolutely brilliant. And now I'm on my way again, but I'm on a very high, open landscape with cows. Up and over. What a view. I'm not sure if I could pick them up. But they're screeching like birds of prey. I've seen one person in the last hour. There's a real mixture on this farm. We've got goats, we've got alpacas, we've got horses. Playing push and shove. Separated by a wire. Gone through a farm where you blocked off some of the route, but this appears to be the route. You meet all sorts. Pushing his bike. Very small hut with a table hung by chains. You could pitch a tent up here, but that was quite a long haul up to 1101. The funny thing about this, going up to this little peak and coming down, is clearly somebody has been up here with a strimmer. Incredible. I was just noticing the wall and I almost walked straight by the next col, Rimbakov, 1195. And then you break out into these little open areas. Probably somebody will tent there. Yeah. Another col de Pêche, 1070. I think I'll use two hands from here. Give you a bench, thousands of flies, and hopefully I'll go down there. Your heart lifts when you see a water source like this. Look at that. This is another marked water source. They say you have to filter it, but it will take you long to get a couple of litres out of this. There we are. The next one. I've met this couple a couple of times. I think she's English, not sure. But they just stay in accommodation. So they're just broadly slack packing, which is fine. But yeah, it's nice to see a familiar face again. Another pop-out view. Another strategically placed bench. I've seen this Ballon d'Alsace for hours. Never seems to drop below an hour 30. Don't get it. Rundekopf. 1171. Don't know. One day we'll get to this Ballon d'Alsace. The usual map and hill routine at the top. Coming off the top of Ballon d'Alsace, going to a figurine of Mary. This is the water source, about 40 meters, and here it is. So, bivouac somewhere. My French colleagues from earlier today have all arrived, putting up their tents.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.